Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Windows 11 home build and confirming 64-bit. Once done, enable developer mode so tools install cleanly. Next, open Settings and add the Open SSH client if it's not present. This provides secure remote utilities. Then download a compatible RDP wrapper or choose an alternative protocol. Explain why. Native RDP server is restricted on home, so wrappers or third-party servers create the listening service you need. Proceed to the next step to configure security and users. You now install the RDP wrapper or third-party RDP server with administrator rights. Once installed, run the configuration tool to patch listening ports and service entries. Make sure to add the specific user accounts to the remote desktop users group and verify permissions. This avoids permission-denied errors. Enable network-level authentication and configure a firewall rule allowing TCP 3389 or your custom port. Also bind the service to the correct network profile so remote clients can connect reliably. You finish by testing the connection from another machine using MSDSC or a modern RDP client. Enter IP, username, and confirm NLA prompts. If connecting across the internet, set router port forwarding and check public IP or dynamic DNS. If internal, verify network profile and firewall rules. Once connected, lock down settings, strong passwords, limited accounts, and optional VPN. If something fails, look at the RDP service logs and firewall logs. Reapply the wrapper or reinstall the server to resolve corrupted install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.